What's the one that people are asking you most about? I mean, is it Americans looking at inflation and looking at, all of their savings kind of just going down to being worthless? Is that the one that are on a lot of Americans' mind right now? And
Yeah, Americans, yes. It's interesting because I do have, kind of an international following, but there are certain pockets. I mean, there are certain countries where, there's interest in what I do, or my books are published in that language, et cetera. So I have a good German following, and of course, the Germans want to know what's going on with energy, Japanese following, and so forth. But yeah, the United States. The number one question, because everyone's concerned about inflation, but there's a big backstory there. But I always say when it comes to your own money, everybody has a PhD in economics. You don't need Larry Summers to tell you what's going on with your budget and your ability to feed your family or keep a roof over your head. So people get inflation. It's one of the reasons it's so politically toxic is because it's unavoidable. You can't fudge it. You can't spin it. It's like, hey, if I used to fill up my Ford F-150 truck for $50 and now it's $125, A, you get it. It's right in your face. And B, that's $75 that you don't have to take your spouse out to dinner, buy a new jacket or whatever. So there's kind of demand destruction at the same time you're spending more money on the one thing you can't do without. So people get it. But then from there, the question I get the most is, hey, Jim, is this going to cause a recession? Are we going to have a recession?
Hey, it's Brian Rose, founder of the DeFi Academy. I've told you my 4-week crypto bootcamp is amazing, but don't take my word for it. This is what my students are saying.
The DeFi Academy was an amazing experience for me. It took me totally out of my comfort zone.
In this course, I was challenged, I was held accountable, and pushed to do things that honestly weren't always easy.
It's been phenomenal, and I can't believe we're already up on our 4 weeks. It has flown by.
Going through this DeFi accelerator by far was one of the best courses I've taken.
You do this course, you really get into the nitty-gritty of the activities that will make you comfortable with decentralized finance.
Thank you so much to Brian and everyone at London Real and the DeFi Academy for even putting together an amazing course like this.
Anybody else that wants to do it, please sign up. It is well worth the money.